fifth hyperbaric oxygen. Ooh. The 𝐥𝐸𝐬𝐵 is full, so I have to keep the valve open like this instead of having my drains closed.
It's so air doesn't get trapped and then pushed into the system, which is more importantly, you don't want to embolize.
So I won't embolize or explode. Until I have 30 milliliters total.
Yeah, a day.
A day.
Yeah.
That they won't take the drains out.
Around the patient, this helps allow the person to move around in the chamber without building up static. Static and oxygen aren't good friends. So right now she's actually going through the pressurization of the therapy, where we pressurize the chamber to what we're going to be doing is 2.5 times the normal pressure, which allows the body to consume higher levels of gas. We've only pumped in 100% medical grade oxygen in these chambers, so she'll be getting an average about 20 to 30%, 30 times, let me make that correction, 30 times the normal oxygen, which we only have about 7% at any given healthy time in our lives, which sustains life. In here, she's getting 30 times that, which will help accelerate the healing, accelerate the ability to reduce that inflammation, which ultimately reduces the pain levels. And oxygen, as it is under pressure, acts as an antibiotic, a sterilant, so she will keep a very sterile environment while she's getting her therapy. Hyperbarics will reduce the recovery time in half, so you see those results much quicker, reduce any kind of complications or any kind of infections, because oxygen under pressure acts as a sterilant, an antibiotic, so it actually boosts the immune system, because when you're recovering from any surgery, when it comes to that, your immune system is what's hit, because when you're weak, that's usually when people get sick. So this helps boost that immune system when the body's at its weakest state. Most conditions that are like post-op, between 5 and 10 treatments. If it's a chronic condition such as Lyme disease, that could go anything from 20 to 60 to 80 treatments. In general though, if you're just coming for like say a sports injury or just for mental fog or Alzheimer's, you could go down as low as 5 treatments. We get a lot of celebs that come through here, utilize it as an anti-ager. Hyperbarics is a great element, because what it does is it superoxygenates one of the biggest organs in our body, our skin. Okay, so you oxygenate the skin, you have healthy skin, you're gonna have the appearance of a healthy, young, vibrant, person. So a lot of the athletes will come through here, not just to help speed up recovery, but for advanced recovery and utilizing stem cells. Hyperbarics actually will increase the stem cell production, increase the survival rate of stem cells when they do the transplant, reducing inflammation and reducing bruising, which ultimately it's going to reduce the pain levels too. Well, stroke victims, unfortunately, in their condition, they have the lack of oxygen to the brain. So though hyperbarics increasing oxygenation helps the repair of the brain. Most cells that get damaged aren't in death, and that's the true difference between the conversations, is brain death and brain damage. Hyperbarics will actually help the damage that is caused in the brain by repairing the cells that are damaged and reducing inflammation. And once the brain starts repairing, everything else follows. We use oxygen as a medicine to help repair the body, give the body the more nutrients that it's normally used to, and that usually will get people over really big obstacles. Hyperbarics has helped repair in many cases, both chronic and acute.
Remember to click subscribe and stay tuned for my next adventure.